friends, today I am going to tell you some tips and tricks so that you can make your phone modernized and also fast. So come on, let's start. So first, we will make a phone modern. So to make a phone modern, just pull down your notification bar, and as you can see here is one settings icon. Just press it and keep it hold for some time. As you can see, it starts spinning, and just leave it. And now here you can see congrats, system to UI turn on has been activated. So just scroll down, and as you can see, the system UI turner option has been activated. Just open it, and now I will show you what's interesting in this. So first, here you can see one batteries option. It is on default, so just we will put it on, so always percentage. As you can see here, it starts showing us percentage, and in time when you click on show hours, minutes and seconds, it starts to show you in extra seconds too. And in when you go in DND mode, and you are very much a busy person and you want to make your phone silent, but you have much more hurry, so here only in 1 minute you can activate your system you from your system UI turner. Go in DND and activate this show with volume controls. Then as you can see, it shows us do not disturb mode, and this will help us, or it can also help you to make your phone silent. So friends, have you seen how much easy it is? So now we will see how to make a phone make look faster. So for that, you have to go in about phone or tablet and scroll down. As you can see, your build number is given. Just click on it 7 times. As it is not working for me because I have already used this. After that, go to developer options and turn it on. After that, scroll down and search draw options. After that, here you will see some animation skills. Just click on it, turn them off. And now friends, just see what happens. Our, our phone has become very much fast. So, did you see friends how easy it is? And yes friends, keep in mind that whenever you will try to activate the system UI turner options, your phone should be above 5.1 Android version. Then only it works, otherwise it will not work. Thank you, like, share and subscribe.